Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you already know that we are on unit number 12 of your GK2 books, and the name of our unit is The Natural Environment and Resources, and today is its 6th lesson. So my dear students, before moving on towards the lesson, let's quickly recap what we did in lesson number 5. So you have to answer a few questions. What are man-made resources? As we have differentiated between man-made and natural resources, so you have to tell me what are man-made resources. Any resource which is made by the man is a man-made resource. Very nice. So name some man-made products. Yes. Bread, chair, table, pencil, sugar, these are all man-made products. So my dear students, with this we will move forward towards a recap that as you have seen that on one side there are natural resources and on the other side you can see some man-made resources. So this is all natural and the other side is man-made. So my dear students, as you can see a sweater here. It is made up of wool. So what is its resource? Its resource is a sheep. Okay? So its resource is natural. Then you can see leather shoes. What is its resource? Its resource is animal skin. So the leather shoes are made from the skin of animals. So its resource is again natural. And some other things that you can see here is the plastic that you use in every day. Everything is made from plastic boxes, your pencil box, your sharpener, these are made from plastic. So plastic is made from crude oil, which is natural and which comes from under the ground. So its resources again, plastic ka resource jo hai wo bhi natural hai. So all the man-made things are basically made from natural resources. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the student learning outcome for today, which is given on page number 85. Today we will recognize that people manufacture different things from natural resources to serve human needs. So jitni bhi human made things hain, man made things hain, वो हम अपनी नीड्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए, अपनी ज़रूरियात को पूरा करने के लिए नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का इस्तेमाल करते हुए बनाते हैं. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. It is God who made the earth for you to settle and the heaven as the canopy. He designed you and perfected your design and provided you with wholesome things such as God your Lord. So blessed be God, Lord of the worlds. So my dear students, here अल्लाह ताला जो है उन्होंने हमें इतनी सारी चीज़ों से, इतनी सारी ब्लेसिंग से, नेमतों से नवाजा है. सो हमें अल्लाह ताला का बेशुमार शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए. एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू इज़ a blessing of Allah Ta'ala. So my dear student, with this note, we will move forward towards some pre-reading questions. So tell me, does your mother bake cake for you? आपकी मदर आपके लिए केक बनाती हैं? बनाती होंगी, definitely. So, which bakery item do you like the most? आपको सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा bakery item पसंद है? Biscuits, cakes, patties, sandwiches. What do you like the most? I like cakes. Very good. So, all these things are basically man-made, but their resource is natural. So, now I request you to please open page number 91 in your books. I hope everybody has opened page number 91. Today we will do a very fun story. मैं आपको बहुत मजे की स्टोरी सुना रही हूँ, which is in your book. It is the story of a biscuit. एक बिस्किट कैसे बनता है, क्या उसका ओरिजिन है और कैसे वो आपको मज़ेदार सा, मीठा सा, यमी सा बिस्किट मिलता है, तो हम उसकी स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे. You can see a lot of pictures on your screen. ये सारी pictures जो हैं steps हैं of making the biscuit. Okay? Now you have to put your fingers where I will read. We use natural things and process them to make different products. Story of a biscuit. I was a small piece of grain. One day, a farmer found me at his house. This is the farmer. He took me to the field and sowed me there. Then he put the grain inside the land. Farmer used to water me daily. Now he's watering the fields. When I grew up, he cut me down. When the crops were grown, he cut all the crops. I was sent to the flour mill. I was grinded into flour. My flour was then given to food factories. Now I request to move to page number 92. Bakers make the dough, cut me in different shapes, and baked me. Now I am a delicious biscuit. Kids love to eat me. So, my dear students, now you have just read about the story of a biscuit that first the farmer found a grain, he sowed it into the land, and then he watered it, the crops grew, he cut them off, then he sent it to the mill where they were grinded, and then the flour was sent to the bakery where the baker baked. He made the dough out of it and then he baked it, and now the delicious biscuit is ready to eat. So again, put your fingers where I will read. Likewise, many other natural products are also processed to fulfill human needs. For example, we make leather from animal skin, furniture from wood, and medicines from plants. We should plant more trees to get more benefits and also treat animals with kindness. All these plants and animals make our life standard better. So my dear students, here you can see that different products are made from natural resources. The clothes you are wearing, they are made from cotton. The shoes that you wear, that are made from the leather that comes from animal skin, and the medicines that we eat which help us to get better when we are sick, they come from the plants. So my dear students, these all natural resources are extremely beneficial for us. ये हमारे लिए बहुत important हैं, ये हमें बहुत मदद देते हैं बहुत सी चीज़ें बनाने में. But still, we must need to treat the animals with kindness, and we must plant more and more trees so that we get more and more benefits with it. Okay? So my dear students, from here we will move forward towards the practice. So the practice is given on the same page. It is a supervised activity. Divide the class into two groups. Ask both groups to take a round of school. Assign a task to one group to make a list of natural things they see and observe in school. The other group will make a list of man-made things present in school. Both groups will present their list in the classroom. So my dears, here the teacher will divide you into two groups, group A and group B. You can also conduct this activity at your homes. You can take a round at your home and you can make two lists, man-made and natural. Anything that you found, and you have to make two columns, one with man-made heading and the other with natural heading. Okay, and then categorize them. The list is here, you can see them on the screen. So group A will made and find all the man-made products in their school or at their homes, and group B will find all the natural products or the things they find in their school, and if you're watching me at your homes, then at your home. Okay, so this is extremely easy and a very easy task. Then you have to show it to your class fellows that these are our findings. So from here we will move forward towards the worksheet. Your teacher will provide you with this worksheet in print form. You will write down your name and your class. And here you can see the worksheet where stuff comes from. ठीक है? Draw the lines between each item to tell where it comes from. I will do the first one for you. You will do rest by yourself. So a sweater, where does it come from? It is a wool sweater. So the wool comes from the sheep. So this is how you will join the columns, two columns. One side is man-made and the other is natural. So this is how you will do the rest of the worksheet. It is also related to what we have just read today. Okay. So pause the video and complete your worksheet. From here, we will move forward towards your evaluation. So you have to tell me question number 17 on your screens. Why do human beings make products from natural resources? Human beings make the natural products from natural resources to fulfill their needs. Very nice. Now, question number 18, share the steps to make biscuits. Very easy. Number 1, count with me, do it with me. Yes. Number 1, grain. You need a grain. Number 2, you will sow it into the ground. Number 3, water it daily. Number 4, it will grow and you will cut it off. Then number 5, you will send it to the mill. Number 6, it will be grounded. It will be grounded into flour. Number 7, it will send to the baker, where baker will make dough out of it. Then he will bake biscuits from it, and then you will get yummy biscuits. So these are the 9 steps of making yummy biscuits. Very nice. So from here we will move forward towards your homework for today. So your homework for today is independent activity number 3. Collect pictures of any of your 5 man-made things. Write down the natural resources from which they are made. Complete the table below. So you have to collect 5 things and you have to also tell their natural resource. For example, let me write the first one for you, chair. So its natural resource is wood. So this is how you will do the rest of the activity. So home activity number 6 is your next homework. You have read the story of biscuits. Now find out how does carpenter make furniture. Make the process with the help of pictures or on your scrapbook. आपने story of biscuit पढ़ी है. Now you have to make a story of how the carpenter makes furniture. I will help you out a little with the pictures so that you can write a story. The woodcutter will cut the wood. You can see him cutting the wood. Then it will he will send the wood to the furniture maker. Here he will cut the wood into pieces and then he will shape it into different types of furniture. Here you can see different pieces or the parts of the furniture, and that's how he will make the furniture. So you have to write the story and you have to also paste the pictures. So the wrap up of the lesson is people process natural processes, resources to make different products to fulfill their needs. So हम लोग जो हैं, इंसान जो हैं, वो different resources यूज़ करते हुए, natural resources को यूज़ करते हुए हम man made material बनाते हैं ताकि हम अपनी ज़रूरियात को पूरा कर सकें और हम उनसे खूब फ़ायदा उठा सकें. So my dear students, I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed the lesson. Complete your homework, complete all your tasks and keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.